Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something so exciting, and that is going to be my analytics for my first month on YouTube on this channel. I have had another channel since the end of 2019, but for this channel it's been on here for a month, and we are going to look at my analytics and see the progress I've made. I'm so excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. So I'm sitting here with my lovely unicorn fish. People call this, narwhal something, but this is a unicorn. Did I say unicorn fish? My unicorn mermaid. Ever since I was a little girl, I was obsessed with unicorns and obsessed with mermaids. I am still obsessed with mermaids, and I still love me a good unicorn. So this is my unicorn mermaid. No hate, just be jealous. So I'm going to pull down my handy dandy computer, and we're going to look at my analytics. I'm not going to be able to show you my screen and like the screen recording thing because I don't have it on this computer just yet, and that's just going to take way too much time. So I'll just, occasionally flip back and let you see so you know I'm not lying. Here we are at my home screen on YouTube Studio. Hi, hello. As of right now, the most recent video I've uploaded is my What's in My Bag 2020. Go check it out. So we're going to jump over to analytics. Let's see. We want to look at it from the day that I first uploaded a video, which was February 5th, and that was my Romwe haul. Yeah, so February 5th. We do a custom time range here. Yes, 5th to a month later, which I guess technically it hasn't been a month. Okay, so like it hasn't been a full month yet, but that's okay because that doesn't matter. So here we have my analytics screen. My feet are already hurting from the way I'm sitting, so let's get more comfortable, shall we? Okay. Let us see these fantastic numbers. These people that are, full-time YouTubers, they're getting paid. It's their job, which is why they are full-time YouTubers. What it takes to get there, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Sounds like a lot, but people can do it pretty quickly, or it can take you a long time. So we're going to see where I'm at after 1 month. And I'm not doing this to brag. You know I don't brag. I just have to share because I know people like to learn from other people. I have, guys, in the past 28 days, 4 weeks in February, I've got 1.1 thousand watch minutes. I just cannot believe, I broke 1,000. That's just unreal. I cannot tell you how amazing this is for me. So let me calculate that for you. Guys, if I keep up this rate, I will be monetized in, get this, 18 years. Oh, 18 years. That's I can't fathom that. But okay, we can't get too far ahead of ourselves. We also need 1,000 subscribers. Now, this month, I have a total of 12 subscribers. I mean, what? So if I want to keep up that track, we've got almost 7 years. That is just, can you believe that? I'm just beside myself. I mean, in as little as 18 years, I can be monetized, and this can be my full-time job. I mean, that's just picture it. 18 years from now, I'll probably be maybe we don't need to think about it. That's okay. I now have my game plan and my goal, and I know I can make it, and that's just this is all because of you guys, and I'm so grateful for this experience. And if it wasn't for you, I would not have stats like this on my first month. And it's just I don't want this to come across as bragging or anything like that, because I swear I'm not bragging. This is just, I want you to know what you can do if you just put your mind to something and you really try. So I want everyone out there to see these and think, wow, if she can do it, I can do it. And it's that easy. You just make some videos, put them on YouTube, and bam, 18 years later, you're gonna get monetized. I mean, Mr. Bear agrees. Do you not? Wait, you don't agree or you agree? But seriously guys, like all jokes aside, you are so noisy. I cannot tell you how I feel. Like words can't explain how this month has just made me feel. I guess if I had to put this into a word, I'm really just looking at my first month stat. To sum up in one word, I guess I feel depressed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a fun little thing I wanted to do after looking at my stats for the month. They're nothing special. I have no idea what's normal. I don't know, but that's what they were. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like. It'll really help support me. And if you made it this far, congratulations, because I'm sure as soon as you heard me say watch minutes, you clicked off. But if not, oh, before I forget, I did not show you my puppies. They always make an appearance. I need to introduce my puppies. Puppies. And you met my unicorn mermaid. She could be a bit camera shy sometimes. She also sees out the window and she likes to bark at people out the window. But this is her. This is Miss Callie. She always has to bark at the window. So she'll just face this way and she says hello. Hi. And this is Mr. Douglas. My sweet, sweet boy. Say hi to the people. Hi to the people. Again, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.